That was my interpretation of the keyboard part that opens up Walk of Life by Dire Straits. Really cool song to have in your back pocket as a cover tune. People just seem to love it. It's the kind of song you can play anywhere. I'm tuned to G, G, D, G. The song is in E. So the chords would be 9, 2, and 4. And it has a boogie rhythm. And there's a lot of variations in the boogie rhythm. You could try to figure them all out. I'm not going to do that. I just play a boogie rhythm to it. Like that. And when the song starts, the chords are just like that. Just open sustaining. Okay, on to the cool part. There's my pick. So, because it's in E, you could do it in an E-tuned EBE cigar box guitar. But a lot of people don't have frets that go high up enough, because right now we're starting on 16, and we would have to go to play it in E. We would have to go up 3 more frets, 1, 2, 3, up to 19. So I thought this was a little easier, but you can just translate it by moving it up 3 frets if you're tuned to EBE and you have the fretage to do it. The lick itself is really straightforward. 2 16s, 11, 13, 16. So I stretch my hand out like that. First finger on 11, I just kind of leave it there. And then 11, 13, 16, 13, 11, 14 twice. And the reason my amp sounds funny is because I got the flanger cranked up as fast as it'll go. This is a microcube, and it has a little flanger setting, and so it sort of sounds like a keyboard. If I was doing this live right now with a band, I would have a foot pedal. That sounds like a keyboard. Anything that has a fast Leslie type effect or phaser effect or anything, if you turn it up, it sounds kind of keyboardish. Maybe not perfect, but it gets the job done. So back to that lick. That's lick 1. And then you go back to 11, 11, 13, 16, 16, and then 11, 13, 16, 13, 11, 14 on the middle string. And this is a little tricky, if there is a tricky part. You go 13, slight pause there, and then 2 11s, and then 13, 16, 13, 11, 14, and then you start again, actually, and the tab is written as if that ends it, but that actually starts it again. So I'll do that slow. And then it starts again. Like that. And you just repeat it. That's all there is to it. And once again, the chords are E, A, and B. And the rhythm is the boogie rhythm. Which is just holding the chord and putting your third with your first finger and putting your third finger on the middle string 2 frets higher. So it's kind of like down, up, down, up, and then a little fill. Fill just as in filling in, and he changes it all the way through subtly. I wouldn't worry too much about studying it and trying to get each nuance in there. I don't think it's really necessary. Have a great day. Bye.